Let's go to page 609 and let's do the evens. So number 2, you have x minus 2y equal to 4, and you have negative 2x plus 4y equal to 3. So I'm going to eliminate the x, so I'm going to make them opposite, so I need to multiply this by 2. So I get 2x minus 4y equal to 8. And I'm going to put this under here. So I got 2x minus 4y equal to 8. And when I add, I get 0 equal to 11. So this is inconsistent. They're not equal. So the answer is inconsistent. Let's go to number 4. We have x minus 2y equal to 3. Got 3x plus 7y equal to negative 4. So I'm going to make the x opposite because they are easier to do. So I need to multiply this by negative 3. So I get negative 3x, right? So that will be opposite. So plus 6y equal to negative 9. And again, I'm going to put this underneath, so it's minus 3x plus 6y equal to negative 9. When I add, I get 13y equal to negative 13. Divide by 13, divide by 13, so y equal to negative 1. Once I found y, and I need to put it back in any one of the equation, I'm going to use this one. This is the easiest one. So I'm going to use this one over here, and I'm going to substitute. So I get x minus 2 times y equal to 3, right? Again, y is negative 1. So I got x plus 2 equal to 3, minus 2, minus 2. So I get x equal to 1. Okay, so x equal to 1, y equal to negative 1. Okay, let's go to number 6. Got 3x plus 5y equal to 4, and I have 2x plus 3y equal to 4. So in this case, I'm going to make the x opposite because they are lower number, they'll be easier to do. So 2x and 3x, I'm going to multiply this by 3. So I guess, so again, the LCD is 6, so I need to get to 6 and negative 6. So I multiply by 3. So I got 6x plus 9y equal to 12. And I'm going to multiply this by negative 2, so that they will be opposite. Again, so first you have to decide which variable you want to make opposite. And you have to figure out these common multiples. Okay, so you can just multiply. And I'm going to put this under here. So 6x plus 9y equal to 12. So the reason you make them opposite so that when you add, they will cancel out. So this get cancel out. So I got negative 1y. When I add, I get 4. So divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. So y equal to negative 4. Once I found y, then I need to substitute back into any one of the equation. So I'm going to use this equation over here. So I got 2x plus 3 times y equal to 4. So I'm using this equation because this is probably the easiest equation. So working out, so you got 2x minus 12 equal to 4 plus 12 plus 12. So you got 2x equal to 16. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So x equal to 8. Okay, again, the key is to make one of the variable coefficient opposite so that you can eliminate, and that's why it's called elimination method. Okay, number 8, you got 4x minus 3y equal to 7, and you got 2x plus 7y equal to 12. Again, make sure you write the two equations side by side so you got room to work underneath. Okay, so this one, I'm going to make the x opposite because this is a double of that, so it is much easier. Okay, so again, you kind of have to look at the equations to decide what variable you want to eliminate. So I'm going to multiply this by negative 2. So I got negative 4x, so that's the opposite. So minus 14y equal to negative 24. And I'm going to put this under here. So minus 4x minus 14y equal to negative 24. So, and then you add this cancel out. So I get negative 17y equal to negative 17 divided by negative 17 on each side. So I've got y equal to 1. So once I found y equal to 1, I'm going to solve for x. And again, you can use any equation. I'm going to use this one since this is the easiest one. So 2x plus 7 times y, again y is 1, equal to 12. So 2x plus 7 equal to 12. But you multiply out, I can do it step by step. So minus 7 minus 7. So you got 2x equal to 5, divided by 2, divided by 2. So x equal to 5 over 2. Let's go to number 10. Number 10, you have 5x plus 2y equal to 7. And you got 10x minus 4y equal to 14. In this case, I'm going to make the y opposite because they are, see, this is a double of that, and this is kind of negative double of that. So both, you can use either way to make them opposite. But the y has a lower coefficient, so I'm going to make the y opposite. So I'm going to multiply this by 2. So I got 10x plus 4y equal to 14. Put underneath here. So I got 10x plus 4y equal to 14. Okay, and then go ahead and work it out. So I got 20x equal to 24 divided by 20 divided by 20. So x equal to 24 over 20. You can divide by okay, you can divide by 4, so you got 6 over 5, and then you can multiply 28. Okay, there we go. Okay, so reduce. Okay, so reduce by 4, and so you get x equal to 7 over 5. Okay, and now you have to look for the y. Again, you can use any equation. I'm going to use this one here. So I got 5 times 7 over 5 plus 2y equal to 7. So you work it out. So you got 7 plus 2y equal to 7 minus 7. So we got 2y equal to 0. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So y equal to 0. Yeah, so very easy to make careless mistakes. Okay, let's go to number 12. Okay, 6x plus 3y equal to 4. You got y plus 2x equal to 2. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is arrange this in the correct order. So notice this is the wrong order, so I'm going to switch it. So I got 2x plus y equal to 2. Okay, so now I have to look at these two equations to decide which one I'm going to make them opposite. So since the y has a lower coefficient, and the ratio is 1 to 3, so I'm going to do the y to make it a little bit easier. So multiply by negative 3. So I got negative 6x minus 3y equal to negative 6. And I'm going to put this under here. So I got negative 6x minus 3y equal to negative 6. When I add, I get 0 equal to negative 2. So this is not true, right? So this is inconsistent. Okay, let's go to number 14. We got 5x plus 3y equal to negative 12. Then got 3y minus 6x equal to 10. Okay, so again, this is in the wrong order, so I'm going to put this in the correct order first. So negative 6x plus 3y equal to 10. So switch these. And the sign is part of the term, right? So negative have to go with the 6x. Okay, so by looking at these, looks like you got 3y here and 3y here. They are the same, but you need an opposite. So to avoid a lot of negative, I'm going to multiply this by negative 1. So I get 6x minus 3y equal to negative 10. And I'm going to put this under here. So 6x minus 3y equal to negative 10. So I get 11x cancel out equal to negative 22. Divide by 11, divide by 11. So x equal to negative 2. Once I find x, I need to solve for y. So I can look for any easy equation. Okay. I don't like the negative equation, so I'm going to use this one here. So I got 5 times negative 2 plus 3y equal to negative 12. Okay, so this will give me negative 10. So I'm going to plus 10 on both sides. I got 3y equal to negative 2. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So y equal to negative 2 over 3. Okay, let's go to 16. We have 9x plus 3y equal to 0. And we have 2x minus 5y equal to 0. Okay, so this one is kind of a little bit messy. So I'm going to use the y because y is 3 and 5. The x is 2 and 9. So this has a higher number. This is lower number. So I'm going to make the y opposite. And the 3 and 5, the common denominator, this common multiple is 15. So I need to get to 15 and negative 15. So a lot of times you just go and crisscross the numbers. So I need to multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 5. Okay. So again, if I multiply by 3, I get negative 15. Over here, when I multiply by 5, I get 15. So I got 15 and negative 15. They're opposite, right? So again, the key is to get the coefficient opposite, so they will cancel. Okay, so I got 45x plus 15y equal to 0. Over here, I got 6x minus 15y equal to 0. I'm going to put this under here. So 45x plus 15y equal to 0. This cancel out. So I get 51x equal to 0. Divide by 51, divide by 51. So x equal to 0. So once I find x equal to 0, I can use any equation. Okay. And I'm going to use this equation over here. So I got 9 times 0 plus 3y equal to 0. And this is going to cancel out, right? So I got 3y equal to 0. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So y equal to 0. Okay, let's go to number 18. Okay, I have an x over y equal to 4 over 7. And I have x plus 2 over y equal to 2 over 3. So first, let's get rid of the fraction. So I'm going to cross multiply, and I want to put x on the left hand side. So cross multiply, I get 7x equal to 4y. Over here, I'm going to cross multiply, so I got 3x plus 6 equal to 2y. Okay, and next, I'm going to just go and put everything in the correct form. So I'm going to move this over. So I'm going to minus 4y minus 4y. So I got 7x minus 4y equal to 0. Right? You want to have x, y, then the number, right? Over here, I'm going to minus 2y minus 2y. So this will cancel out. And I'm going to minus 6 minus 6. So this will cancel out. So I'm just put everything in the correct order. Okay, put everything in the correct form. Okay, so now I have these two equations. Okay, looks like I'm going to do the y because this is the double of these, right? So it'll be easier. Whether if you do the x, it's going to get very messy. So I'm going to make the y opposite. So I'm going to multiply this by -2. Right? So this will give me positive 4y and make them opposite. Again, the key is to make the coefficient opposite. So I got -6x plus 4y equal to 12. And I'm going to put this under here. So I got -6x plus 4y equal to 12. Okay, so put this over here. So I got x equal to 12. So once I found x equal to 12, I need to look for the y. I'm going to use this one. This one will probably be easier to do. So I got 7 times 12 equal to 4y. Okay. Now in this case, since there's no addition or subtraction, you can just go ahead and divide already. So divide by 4, divide by 4. So instead of multiply out first, go and divide so that this cancels out and this cancel. So answer would be 21. Okay, let's do number 20. Have x plus 4, 2 over 2y plus 6 equal to 1 over 2. And you have x minus 1 over y plus 6 equal to 1/2. So you can cross multiply. Okay, so cross multiply, I get 2x plus 8 equal to 2y plus 6. This one you cross multiply, I get 2x minus 2 equal to y plus 6. Okay. And again, I'm going to move things around. So minus 2y, and minus 8, minus 8. Okay. So I got 2x minus 2y equal to -2. Over here I'm doing the same thing, minus y, so this cancels out. Plus 2, so this cancels out. So I get 2x minus y equal to 8. And I already have 2x and 2x already, so I'm going to make them opposite. So I'm going to multiply, I can multiply this by -1. So I get -2x, so now they're opposite, see that? So plus 2y equal to 2. And I'm going to put this under here, so -2x plus 2y equal to 2. So this cancels out, so I get y equal to 10. So once I found y equal to 10, I can use any one of the equation. I can use this one. So I got 2x minus 10 equal to 8. Again, whenever you substitute, put in the parentheses, so that way you know what is being substituted and what's the original number. So I'm going to plus 10 plus 10. So I got 2x equal to 18, divide by 2, divide by 2. So x will equal to 9.